Hi, my name's Jonathan. I work here in final assembly at the cabinet shop at Franklin Building Supply. I will be working today here in Box Bros Corner. One problem that we had here in Box Bros Corner all the time was we had close to 200 foot of air hose on the ground at any given point during the day. Solution that we came up with was these lovely A-frames, as you can see to my left, and this airline that actually now runs over our cable with a spout that comes down, as you notice, right kind of near the center of my table, allowing me to not get wrapped when I go to move around the corner of my table. So we used to have 200 feet of hose on the ground. Now we're down to below 50 feet. I'm an individual, I've had a fall. That was a trip hazard to myself. For a solution, what Wendell and Ron were able to come up with was the A-frames, as we've shown. I've also shown that instead of getting caught and tripping, I'm able to move fully around my table as I was doing before. But now I'm not getting wrapped. This may help you in your shop. Until then, see you and have a good evening.